Hi everyone, what I'm going to explain here is backed by the mechanics working in this shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If your dashboard shows the forward collision warning, FCW light, or a message like forward collision system failed, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Basically, your car is telling you, I can't see what's ahead with my sensors and camera, so I can't warn you about potential collisions. It's like your safety system is on a little forced vacation. The most common cause, according to mechanics, is dirt or blockage on the sensors or front camera. Dust, mud, snow, ice, or even insects can prevent the system from seeing properly, triggering the warning light. Many mechanics solve this simply by thoroughly cleaning the camera and sensors, and voila, the light often disappears almost immediately. Related to that, extreme weather conditions like heavy rain or dense fog can also confuse the system. FCW needs a clear view of the road, and if it can't see properly, it shuts down as a safety precaution. In these cases, waiting for the weather to improve or cleaning the sensors usually restores normal operation. If the light stays on after cleaning, another trick that works for many is performing a soft reset of the U-Connect or FCW system. This usually involves restarting the vehicle electronics, either by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes or following a button sequence on the screen, basically giving the system a little breather to start fresh. However, if the warning still doesn't go away, the sensors or camera may be misaligned, especially after a front-end impact or windshield replacement. In these situations, a professional recalibration at a workshop is necessary to restore proper function. Finally, in less common cases, the blinking light may be due to issues with the assistance module or wiring. Some mechanics have had to take the vehicle to the dealer for a full OBD2 scan, identify specific codes, and if needed, replace or reprogram the safety module.